Nyatsimbamutota. Mamuka sei baba.
Mamuka sei Nyatsimbamutota.
Ndati timbokubatai kakari kekuseni kuti aisoti mbokurukura kuti kuri sei ikoko.
That's right. That's right. Yes. I was listening carefully to Dr. Dandini or something. Masaya. Yes.
Yeah.
That young man can be right.
Yes.
You see, when I spoke to you, the two of you, that is you and this
Kulient
TV, yes. I pre-addressed Comrade Geza on important issues to tackle.
Yes.
So that people can go away with something new. I told him we need action. I told him people need action. Not ordinary stories like every story that we have heard before. But in his wisdom, or a lack of it, he decided to touch such issues marginally. He talked of opposition working together with us. But to be honest with you, there was nothing new, nothing new. So I am also disappointed as Nyatsimbamutota. I did a lot of groundwork, and the issues of the money, I worked very hard for it to be there. Now we were waiting to say the money must be given to the leader of the commander of the movement. So it was not articulated at all. But I had told him, you know it yourself because you have the audios that I sent to you.
Yes, that's true.
When I was addressing him. So his failure to articulate people as will, the issues that people are expecting might be attributed to his old age. So if that happens, this evening, I want to tell Zimbabweans that I will address them because I will just decide to leave him. I may decide to leave him because we cannot continue giving Zimbabweans false hopes.
Yeah.
No. We want people to trust us. Yeah. The people of Zimbabwe, they want people who are trustworthy.
Yes.
People who can act and articulate their actions. We must promise and act. Not just to say the very same things day after day. People of Zimbabwe are not babies.
Yeah, that's true.
Some of them, they hold doctorate degrees. Some of them, PhD and all. Not doctors like the Dr. Amai, Dr. this, Dr. that. No. They are real people who have gone to school and sweated for the doctorate degrees. Some are even having the first degrees. That's learnedness. They've got sound minds, like this other doctor who was speaking to you.
Yeah.
We want action. If he doesn't want to act, probably we may give him only one chance else. If he fails to act, we dump him away. You must know that they mean serious business.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. The analog that was given by this Dr. Masaya to say a hyena is fighting with a lion, and then the antelope may not think that because the hyena is fighting the antelope, the lion. Each of them, if it wins, think that they are friends with the winner. No, it's not true. That man is a young man. From his voice, I could hear.
Yes.
But he speaks a lot of sense. Yes, he does. So Zimbabweans must be prepared to listen to me in the evening. I'm preparing something just now in order to show them how we are going to go through and live this these circuses and these jokes. Yeah, if Comrade Geza is meant for jokes, he must know that we may leave him, because we did a lot of groundwork for him. You see, and even some of his comrades who are engaged in training useful to be security guards, they are together. They are together, but we must not just, unless if he comes to the public and say, I'm hiding something because we are afraid of the Shiganandas. If it is not the case, people must know certain things for real. If he continues to shilly-shally and dilly-dally, the types of Nyatsimbamutota, Comrade Wafawafa, speaking to you right now, is not the type that can continue supporting him. We will dump him.
Yes.
And tell Zimbabweans to go ahead, because if one man during the war, if one man failed, we would really strike him down and go. Yeah, we cannot. The whole movement fails because of one man. This movement can go without him. We must know that. Yeah. So yeah, this is what I wanted to say to you this morning, and I want you to inform Kulient, if possible, just send him this clip so that he will understand my position. I'm not a man who is engaged in jokes. That guy was saying, just to reply a little bit of what he said, he was saying, this cannot be said by someone in Zimbabwe. It can be said, you see. It can be said. And you, Kulient, and you, 0.5 recreation, you will be able to know where I am. I will tell you. I will tell you where I am. I'm in Zimbabwe, but I'm a man of serious business.
Yeah.
And I'm very careful, because I do things that are within the bounds of the law. Whatever I say is supported by the law.
Okay. I see.
If you realize that each time I speak, I say, let's do things that are within the bounds of the law. Yes. Above the law, there's nothing that can actually pursue you, nothing. If you are doing things that are within the law, even to make an application to say we want to go for a stairway, it's supported by the Constitution. Yeah, people who might want to to think otherwise, yeah, it's their freedom. They may think like that, but no. As long as you do things that are lawful, I've realized that ED is not a harmful person as far as you are doing things that are within the bounds of the law. You must be careful not just to kungotsvedza bitsana kuinda kuzvinhu zvisiri pamutemo na ED haumbopfiwa kapona nemachite.
Yeah, it's so
I will prepare something, then we converse in the evening so that the whole of Zimbabwe may actually take an advantage and listen to that, so that I believe in doing things that are people best.
Yes.
If we tell each other that we are now moving this direction, we move that direction. Yeah, I'm not an agent, no. As far as I'm related to ED, I am related to ED. People must know. Yes, I can send you some messages that I always speak to this his son, the one in charge of tourism. Tichitaurirana zvinhu zvakadzama achiti achiti handidi kusvika kuna baba vanonditukadza ndinazo. Yeah, so these are the issues, and it doesn't mean kuti amuri my relatives hapana imwe hama inogona kuona kushata kweimwe. It's not like that. I'm one person who's not happy. I'm not happy. He hears that. And I'm a person who can actually visit his home every day if I want. Yeah. And this Tigananda, and this group Kananda, and this support Zakaora. Senyaya, yokuti muno muwe ne kingdom. Kana munachida kuona kushata kwangu we kuipa kwangu we kuti simbara Nyatsimba riri pakuti ino nyika haizoiti kingdom. Zadza vana vako kosha around you. Saka inindo riyawo papi.
Yeah.
Ndo pane nyaya yangu ipapo waende. Handibvisi ipapo chero vakanipa mota chero vakanipa chii. I am not going to move away from there.
I see.
Yeah. Yeah, mfana uyu wakabotontaura neni manje achira mudhara chireka tikupe mota, chireka tikupe mari, tikupe 500,000 ndikati 500,000 imari inotenga 1 car. Atinonatsa nyika yose yechivhayo. Handingarasisi nyika revolution nokuda kwamota which I can also buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, handiti izvozvo. Munhu anoda kurasa nyika yese nokuda ufumi, munhu yeye mutengesi usingaiti, and Zimbabwe yese must turn against that person.
Yeah, that's true.
Kwete kuti wokwazi uite wonyarara, zvinoda kuitwa some of our vets zvokuti ukapuwa kana kabhoho wonzi wonyaradzwa nekabhoho, wonyaradzwa nekaimba ka3 rooms. What is that? Munhu medu umu mune mari isingaiti umu, mune mari, mune lithium, mune gold, mune feldspar, mune all these minerals, you know, diamond. Saka haunyadzi murume mukuru wakaita senine kasweet.
Yeah.
Ini nchiona kuti kushure kwako wakaunganidza dutu nedutu roupfumi hwese iwo ryaoga hazvigoni. This is what I wanted to say to you this morning, Kulinda, unless you have some questions to ask.
No, Mato responder. No, it's DJ Oli, not Kulind.
Oh, yeah, DJ Oli, yeah.
Yeah, but it's still fine.
Yeah.
But
So
Mato responder to that question because people, they were worried with Nyatsimbamutota. Why is he disclosing such information? Maybe he was sent by the people, he's a state agent. So kana mataura maita, I think is Jeka Tomira kunzwa national address manero.
Yeah, and then those people must also come to us with comments. I rely on their comments because that's a two-way communication process. When we discuss like this, people must listen and bring comments so that in the wakike nini ndienchiona wo zvintaurwa navanhu havasi mapenzi vanhu ava vanhu vakafunda ava and tova kuita attention to the tune yavana vadiki mazera enyaya kuti zvinhu zvifambe ukaona huku yorya mazai natsa kunzwa ndakutaura sona manzi yakadzama and bvudzi rangu izvo zviri kunyanganyanga kana huku ikatanga kurya mazai tinoibata topisa muromo.
Yes.
Kana ikaramba ichirya tinoibata toisa mupoto. Handina kuna wazviwa here mwanangu.
Yeah, ndazvinzwa. Yeah,
tinofanirwa to create a chance for the youngsters of Zimbabwe to prosper in this country without leaving their country vachienda kune dzimwe nyika dzokunze vachitiza isu vabereki vavo. Ndo pane nyaya yangu. And I'm not going to move away from there. I don't know kuti unenge andirisa chifumuro chorudziisa unomborisa vamwe aya kuti ndigosiya Zimbabwe ndichiteera vanhu vanoti ngatirambe tidzvinyirira vana. Inini I'm a father and vana vangu vese vakafunda zvokufunda zviya masters vane a lot of degrees amalaw vamwe engineer vamwe ma chartered accountants. Yeah, saka ini zvokuti nditevere munhu anoita zvokutamba nevana ihuku inorya mazai handidi kuiona.
Yeah.
Saka kana iti akanditeerera ngaanoti Nyatsimba aura kuti huku inorya mazai yakaipisisa. Vana ngavapuwe chance kwete ngopa kuti kana ini ndikapinda mupawa ndotopa vana vangu yoga chance. Aiwa ndo inonzi trying to build a kingdom iyoyo. Uri baba venyika yose, be rational. kwete kungadza vana vako vega vachibata ma-important pillars of the economy. That is dangerous. Vokwana DJ Hall vanodawo pavanobata vari vamwe ukoko kwana Nyatsimba vobata vari papapa tekuti zvinhu zvese zvive transparent kwete chaibvamba nokuti kana maba mari yenyika hatiasi kuti yaendwa nayo nokupi nokuti mune mutikavhana izvozvo ndozvatisingadi. Ndakangoti ndavaudza kuti kana anoda kundisunga ini ngaasamboita piyo ngaangondifonera phone call ndinenda ndega paari andisunge.
Yes.
Because I will die saying the truth.
Yeah, that's true. I thank you very much for that. I have asked number more questions.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Tosangana manero.
All right.